or D?
A.
Do you have many options to choose from? How many triangles do you see in this diagram? 2, right? 3? Where 3? 2 triangles only. Obviously, the 2 triangles must be similar. Okay, so let me draw another triangle. I'm going to use this big triangle first, so that I don't have to redraw it. I'll redraw the small triangle. So trying to draw it in the same way. Okay, now to name the points of the triangle. What goes to the top? What goes to the top? A. How do you know? Okay, let's say this is A lah.
So you're drawing the smaller triangle?
I'm drawing the smaller triangle. Okay, all agree that the top is going to be A? Who thinks it could be something else? What do you think it could be? Huh? You think it could be Q?
Oh yeah, Q, sorry. It's Q, not A.
Why can't it be A?
Because you have to like mix and match the angle. And
Okay,
then the
let me try using A first, okay? Because this big triangle has angle A at the top, right? Then my smaller triangle, does it have the same angle? If it has the same angle, can't they be corresponding angles? If they have the same angle, do you agree that this angle is the same as this angle? Then wouldn't they be corresponding angles? Yes, right? So it makes sense for me to choose A. Okay? Now, using the same logic, does it make sense for this to be P?
No.
Does it make sense for it to be P?
No.
Why not?
Because it's 70 degrees.
Because P is 70 degrees, right? Do you know whether A is 70 degrees? We don't know. So maybe it is 70, I don't know. So P is a possibility. Or what about Q?
Yes, can.
Is Q a possibility? Also a possibility, right? So how to decide? What do you prefer now?
Q.
Why Q? I already told you A is the same already. Why you still want to use Q?
Yeah, because 70
Oh.
like, so if you flip, like,
Okay, let me try with this A first, okay? If this is A, I need a P over here and a Q over here. Let me fill in all my other values. P is 70. Okay, do you like this orientation?
I don't like.
You don't like. Do you want to switch it around?
Yes.
Okay, so Q and P. So this will be 70 degrees. Do you like this orientation now? Do you like it now?
Hey, actually not. Yeah, not.
Is it correct?
Actually no.
What's wrong with this small triangle? What do you mean Q is supposed to be at the top? Why must Q be at the top?
Actually can what? No, it has to be one longer side.
No, just look at this blue triangle and the green triangle. Is there anything wrong with my blue triangle? Do I have 70 degrees at P? Was it given in the question? Okay. On the other side, I have a Q. Okay. Then at the top, I have A. Are these the points of the triangle, the small triangle? Yes. What about the A at the top? Is this 70 corresponding to this 70? Yes, right? So it is in the same orientation. I'll leave it as that first. Now, this A over here and this A, are they the same angle? Yes, they are the same angle. By drawing it this way, can't we already tell that they are similar triangles? I've got two angles the same already. This is why I want to draw it this way. If you choose to draw it, okay, I follow what you all say. Okay, you die want Q to be on top. Then what do you propose now? What's at the bottom? Left. What do we put over here? A or P? A. Then this one? P. Okay. If I do it this way, let me remove this. Filling in the blanks, this is 70 degrees. Okay. So by doing it this way, you are telling me that this angle corresponds to this angle. Is it correct or not? Yes, no, or maybe? It is a maybe. I don't know. Right? How about this angle Q and this angle B? Oh, sorry, what was saying? Okay, this angle B, you are trying to tell me it corresponds to A. Are you right or wrong? Or maybe? Maybe only. So we can't be sure. Why not use something that we are sure? Make sense? Whereas if you did it this way, if you use this triangle, you are telling me that this is an angle A, and then this big triangle, I also have angle A1. Why don't you put them together? Therefore, the orientation, how you draw it is very important. Okay, and this is how I'm going to draw it. Can? Okay. Oh, I spent a lot of time on this. So to prove that these two are similar, we just need to state that angle ACB equals to angle APQ. What's the reason? Given, yeah, it is given. Another angle, angle BAC equals to angle QAP. Agree? What is the reason? Common. It is not given. It is common. Common angle. So, do I conclude now? Yeah, I conclude now. I will say since three, for angles, if you are comparing three angles for similarity, I just need to prove two only. Because the third one confirm the same. Because sum will be 180. Yes, yes. Since three pairs of corresponding angles are equal, therefore we say that triangle ABC similar to triangle APQ. Am I right? Am I right? Am I right?
Yes.
Am I right?
No.
AQP. You must be very careful. You know, sometimes I make mistakes. Looking for the what? You are the only one who responded wrongly. Everybody don't want to say the wrong answer. Okay, so these two are similar with the reason. Next, what do we have? Find the unknown x. Where is the x? Oh, over here. How do I find x? How to find x? Wait, I haven't included all the other information, right? AQ is supposed to be 12. AP is supposed to be 10. Okay. So how to find x? What property of similar triangles do you think we'll be using? Ratio of sides. We are going to be using ratios of sides in order to solve for x. Okay, what can you tell me about the ratios of sides now? Okay. Tell me, generally, what do you know about the ratio of sides? Are the ratios all going to be the same? Okay, let me write down first. For example, AP, sorry, don't want AP. AB over AQ, yes. You must choose the corresponding side. It's supposed to be equal to BC over QP. Must be the same as AC over AP, yes. If you are able to write this, you are on your way to solving for x. Okay, where is x? X is over here. What do you want to use? Which ratio do you want to use? Okay, we want to use AB over AQ, right? It's supposed to be equal to AC over AP. In this case, my BC and my QP are irrelevant. They don't provide me with anything. So I am going to concentrate on just this. Okay, everything else, remove it, don't care. Doesn't help me at all. Now, AB, what is AB equal to? You fill in the blanks out, you substitute. What's AB? What is AB? Come on.
Let AX be AB.
No, we already have an x over there. So AB is actually equals to 10 plus x. Agree? That's AB, right? Divided by what? 12. Good. Equals to? How much is AC? 18. AP? 10. Can you solve for x?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can. 10 plus x equals to 18 times 12 divided by 10.
The sentence AB equals to then let.
No need, the question already had x for you.
For example, they don't have it. Right?
If they don't have that, you can just use AB. Huh? What? What? AC? What's wrong?
12 lah.
What are you talking about?
12 plus 6.
Hey, shh. Okay, so 18 times 12, how much is that? 3.6. 18 times 12 cannot be 3.6 lah. That is 216 divided by 10, then minus 10. 11.6. Is that the correct answer? Okay, so that's how we solve for x. Can? Fun or not? Not bad lah, right? Not bad lah. Exercise your brain. Okay, next one. What do you want me to go through next? 4. Can you do question 4? Do you need help? Okay, help. 4. I will draw in the triangles again. ABD, let me highlight it, is supposed to be similar to, what is the other one? CAD. So, I'm going to draw a bigger triangle this time. Okay? But I'll try to draw it in the same orientation but bigger. Okay, we know since these two triangles are supposed to be similar, the angles should be the same, so the shape should be the same. And we call it, what did they call it? ABD. They went this way, ABD. So I'm going to name it this way also. They say that it's similar to CAD. CAD. Now I have my triangle drawn out. I'm going to fill in all the information that I have. What do I have? CD, that is 16, right? What else do I have? Any angles? 90 degrees, okay. ADC is 90 degrees. Now we look at the two triangles. Which one? ACD. Oh, ACD is also the same, right? So, enough to prove that they are similar? What do you use to prove? 3 pairs of corresponding angles. Now, I am assuming you know this is supposed to be 90 degrees, right? Because adjacent angles on a straight line must be equal to 180 degrees. So we are going to use 3 pairs of corresponding angles again. You can do that yourself. Okay? Part B. Find the length of AD. AD is over here. Oh, AD is found here also. Yeah. Or we can simply let it be AD lah. Leave it as AD. Okay, so whenever we are trying to find lengths in similar triangles, we must always use the ratio of corresponding sides. That is the only method we know, ratio of corresponding sides. So if you want to write it out, we are going to have AB over CA equals to BD over AD, which is equals to AD over CD. Now which one is useful to us? I want to find AD, yeah? So this one and this one. I definitely want my AD. Okay, let me highlight it. I definitely want AD and AD. Okay, what else is useful to me? BD. BD is useful. Okay, where's BD? Oh, there's BD over here. What else is useful? CD, 16. Agree? With this, I will be able to solve for my unknown. So meaning this is irrelevant. It's extra. You can choose to let x be AD. You can choose to let x be AD if you like. For me, I'm really lazy. I'm going to leave it as AD. Okay, I'm going to do substitution now. BD, how much is BD? 9 divided by AD. I don't know what that is. Equals to AD divided by 16. Can solve no?
Yeah, AD square.
AD square equals to 9 times 16. AD must be equals to plus minus 12. Right? Because must plus minus what?
No need what, its length is positive.
Also, we can assume that it's positive, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can. But if I want to be really complete in my work, do you agree that there should be a plus minus? If I really want to be complete, then after that I will reject negative 12 lah. Okay? But actually no need for our syllabus. We know that length is assumed to be positive. In fact, length must be positive lah, okay? So 12 cm over here. Next, to find the length of AB. Okay, we found that AD is actually equals to 12.
I use Pythagoras.
Okay, wait, this is 12. This is 12. AB. Where is AB? This is my unknown now. Yes, you're right. You can use Pythagoras theorem. Do you want to use the small triangle or the big triangle? Would there be a difference? No, there shouldn't be a difference. And you can do that yourself. Okay? Last question, 5. Do you need me to go through? 5? Anybody wants me to go through? I'll go through if one person requires it. Anybody? Really okay? Really can do everything? And you are sure of your presentation? Okay.